The sea is most enjoyable because it's so calming. The noise of the water splashing, the sensations of the engine, the noise of the engine, the skimming over the water. It makes it different than just driving straight to a turbine every day. I'm Clayton. I'm 38 years old and I was recruited from South Africa to a job in Sweden. Coincidentally, it was turbines that I was working on in South Africa as well, and happened to be offshore. So my most favorite tasks in working on the turbine is generator alignment and converter faults, converter-related faults. They're very intricate, they need a lot of focus, they take time. It's challenging, but also very rewarding to do. The best thing about working as a wind turbine technician is the people you work with. The bond you build up with them, it's a strong bond and long-lasting. Because every day you rely on each other for each other's safety, and I guess that just makes your connection a lot stronger than someone you see in the office every day who you may not know very well. Safety is always important. Without good safety practices, no job should ever be undertaken, because as exciting and fun and exhilarating as this job is, there's no point in doing it if you cannot go home at the end of the day, if you cannot finish a job and actually go home to your families. It's very important to have a team that you get along with very well. Stefan is just a diamond. He's a guy who's always willing to help. He's really an asset to everyone at this wind farm, and he has all my respect. I believe it's very important to enjoy what you're doing, because the reward in knowing you made a contribution in something that's important to you is just a very good feeling.